Hello dear students, let us continue with our fourth section, History of Novel. In our last lecture, we had discussed about novella and elements of novel. Today we are going to discuss about types of novel. The first type of novel which we are going to discuss today is realistic novel. The realistic novel is a fiction that gives the effect of realism. That means the realistic fiction is a story that is made up. The characters, settings, and events are all fake, but they appear to be real. They could happen in real life. It is a story that could happen to real people. Sometimes this realistic novel is also known as a novel of manner. It can be characterized by its complex characters with mixed motives that are rooted in the social class. The characters in the realistic novel interact with other characters and undergo plausible means valid and everyday experiences. Some of the examples of realistic novel are An Apology for Poetry, written by Sir Philip Sidney. Another example of realistic fiction, some more examples let us see. Because of Winn-Dixie, Crash, Holes, Monster, Drama High, Roll of Thunder, all these are realistic fiction. Let us turn towards the second type, that is picaresque novel. The word picaresque is originated from Spanish word picaro, that means rogue. Rogue means low social class people or person. Rogue means low social class, that means of poor class person. A picaresque novel narrates the adventure of the protagonist about his survival, about his bravery, how he himself, this rogue, manages to survive in the society, who is an eccentric or a disreputable person in an episodic form. The examples of picaresque novel are Lazarillo de Tomes, then The Swindler, Moll Flandre. Moll Flandre we had discussed earlier while discussing history of novel, written by Daniel Defoe. Joseph Andrews by Henry Fielding. Then our third type of novel is historical novel. A historical novel is a novel set in a period earlier than that of writing, which is related to history. From the name itself you can understand historical novel is related to history. Some of the examples of historical novels are Dear and Glorious Physician by Taylor Caldwell. Now this novel is about Saint Luke. Then another example is The 20th Wife by Indu Sundara Sen. Another example, All the Light We Cannot See by Anthony Doerr. Then Heroes Don't Run by Harry Mazzel. This novel is of the Pacific War. Then the next type of novel is epistolary novel. Now this epistolary word, it is derived from the Latin word epistola, which means letter. The epistolary novel is that in which the writer presents the narrative through a series of correspondence or other documents. Like now, the most common epistolary documents are letters, diary entries, newspaper clippings, blogs, emails, etc. Among all this, diary entries are most popular. Then the next type of novel is Gothic novel. The novel that include terror, mystery, horror, thriller, supernatural doom, death or decay and haunted buildings are called the Gothic novels. Let us see some examples of Gothic novels. The Picture of Dorian Gray by Oscar Wilde. Then another example, Frankenstein, which we had discussed earlier, written by Mary Shelley. Then To the Lighthouse, written by Virginia Woolf. Then the next type of novel is autobiographical novel. Now, as you know, autobiographical novel means written by a person himself based on his own life story. That is autobiographical novel. The autobiographical novel is a novel based on the life of the author. However, the author changes the places and names of characters or even may change or avoid certain details of his life. It may or may not be in the first person narration. Some of the examples of autobiographical novel are Anne Frank, who has written The Diary of the Young Girl. She was the survival of Germany in the reign of Hitler. Then all of our favorite Sachin Tendulkar, he had written the autobiography Playing It My Way. Then my most favorite, my ideal personality, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, he wrote Wings of Fire. It is a must read book. Then few more examples I will give about autobiographical novel. Barack Obama, he had written The Audacity of Hope. And last but not the least, I Am Malala, written by Malala Yousafzai. Now this Malala Yousafzai, she received Nobel Prize for Peace, and she was the youngest recipient. She is the youngest recipient of Nobel Prize. Her work is for she stood up for the education of girls, and for the education, she is Pakistani, and as it was banned by Taliban for the education of girls. She had once been shot by Taliban for her social work for education of girls. Then the next type of novel is allegorical novel. An allegory is the story that bears more than one level of meaning. It might not have only one meaning. It has double meaning in the novel. The surface meaning of such novel is different from the symbolical meaning of it. The symbolic meaning of an allegory may be political, religious, historical, or philosophical. Some of the examples of allegorical novel are The Lord of the Flies, written by William Golding. Now this novel is based on political, psychological and religious allegory. Another famous example is Animal Farm, written by George Orwell, and the most famous, The Alchemist, written by Paulo Coelho. Some more types of novels are still remaining, but we shall discuss them in our next lecture. Till then, happy reading.